sometimes we need to rename our Java files. So it happens very often, most of the time. So far I saw, like, you created already one class, and now you thought, or you are thinking, like, the name is not correct, or if the name is something different, it will be nice. So in this video we'll see how we can, like, rename this thing. This is not very essential for API learning, but sometimes it is helpful. So let's see how we can correctly rename our Java files. So for example, previously we had this API testing. Here we just did regular REST assured API testing one by one, like get, post, put, delete, everything we did. But here we copied this file right here, and we created it like poser version of the insert, basically insert any new booking. Okay, we did this thing, and later we verified from the response. So here the naming is not correct, I feel so, right? So if it is some other name like API testing using pozo, then it will be very easy to understand, or in future it is very easy to maintain the code. So here let's see how we can rename this thing. To rename any Java file, at first we need to right click over there, and very shortly you will find like this. From here we have to choose refactor. So this thing, once you move your cursor over there, then it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose rename. Now we can rename the file, Java file, basically. So I'm going to rename it API testing using Pojo, for example, like this. And then we have to check this thing, update references. Okay, and then after that we have to click this finish button, and once you click here, the file will be renamed. And here it is showing this we have to maintain, we have to check what are the issues are there. So here it is showing like FewSteps assured API automation API testing 2 contains main method. Some applications such as Eclipse may not work after refactoring. That is fine. This warning we can ignore. So we have to press the finish button here to continue the refactor. I'm going to press this finish button, and very shortly you will see it renamed API testing using Pozo. And if we try to run it, now it will work properly, probably. So let's see how it is working. Yes, it is working, right? So it created a new one. Like, if you want to check carefully again, so I'm going to change the value like FewSteps to FewStep few underscore 2 s2. Then I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to run this thing. And if it is running properly, we'll see that this is the output. So here few2 s2, and everything is working properly. And that's it. In this way we can easily rename Java file if we need that. This is the correct way to rename the Java file.